Hey everyone, Brendan Poling here with Forester Vibe with our brand new 26RK. Now on the RK standard with the rest of the Vibe line, we have power everything. So that is power stab jacks, power tongue jack, power awning, power everything. Again, this is standard on all the Vibes. Moving back, we have our More Ride solid step. So a couple nice things about this step, we do have a 30-inch doorway, so you do have a wider step than most out there. Also, this is aluminum, very lightweight, just folds up into the camper, and then you can adjust the legs as you need to if you're on uneven surfaces. Going back, we also have our extended season camping. So most people have a heated and enclosed underbelly, pretty standard on our style product anymore. Now, what is different on ours is we do heated tank pads. Those are standard on all the Vibes. We also do thermal foil underneath. So that is on the flat panel underneath. That thermal foil helps insulate even better, so keeps the heat up into the underbelly and on your tanks and water lines. We also have, like on the other Vibes, our Camp Anywhere package. What this package is our full solar setup. Again, comes standard on the Vibes. So that's a 200-watt roof-mounted panel. Comes with a 30-amp controller. You can actually add another panel to the roof if you want to for more solar power. It can take that with that controller, and comes with the battery. That is all included for the standard price. Also on our Vibes is our spread axle system. So you may notice that our wheels are a little bit wider apart than most out there. This helps stabilize the weight going down the road. So when you're in high wind situations, things like that, it keeps you much more steady going down the road. And then in the back here of this model, we have our smaller outside kitchen. So you have a spray port throwaway sink. We have an induction cooktop, again, comes standard with a small sink. And then brand new for this year on the back, we have our stow and go ladder from Lipper. So that ladder gets about 39 inches and can extend all the way up to get onto the roof. Just hooks into that system. So if you need to get up there, do maintenance, anything like that, you can hook it up there and you are good to go. Now let's take a look at the inside. Here we are in the main living area for the 26RK Vibe. So in the back here being a rear kitchen, we have a huge rear kitchen. So tons of storage pantries, full backsplash all the way around, more storage here and custom drawers that pull out. Full Furrion kitchen setup. This also has our custom pot and pan drawer here. Matches, looks really nice. And we also have our 12-volt refrigerator. Now this is 10.7 cubic feet of storage. The nice thing about this being 12 volt is it works while you're hooked into your vehicle going down the road. You can dry camp with it. So you can run for 20 to 24 hours without being hooked up in anything depending on usage. Works while you're going down the road. And again, you get the nice storage size, can fit everything that you're going to need in it. We also have our booth dinette. This can go make into a bed as well if you need extra sleeping space. And then included with this is the storage tubs underneath. Again, these come with it. Moving up into the living area. So we have our pushback recliners. These are nice Thomas Paine pushback recliners. Two on this side, and then you have a full trifold sleeper sofa on this side. Again, if you have guests or anything, this does pull out and make into a full bed here. So in our entertainment system, we have a full 50-inch Connex TV. This has the built-in soundbar, Bluetooth, everything for that. That also works the outside speakers. And then you have the 30-inch fireplace from Furrion. That can heat roughly 500 square feet. Comes with the remote. You can change the colors on it as you need. Then the biggest thing for Vibe is the windows. So huge windows along that side. Another huge window on this side. So if you're going to go camp somewhere with a view, you'll be able to see everything. Also have the blackout roller shades on them as well. Then moving up into the bathroom area. So in the bathroom on the 26RK, we have porcelain toilet. Again, this is standard. We also have our full 30 by 36 full walk-in. So this also has the Irvine anti-slam door. So if you let go of it, it doesn't slam. Then going on to the bedroom area. So going in, we have our pivot hinge door. Gives you a little more walkway room through here. So we have a full wardrobe. We have a full wardrobe on one side. We leave it open on the other one. That way, if you have a CPAP machine or just want some extra room, you have it. Each side has its own phone charger, 110-volt outlet if you need to plug anything in. And then underneath, we have our storage bins and custom storage behind the bed. These you can pull out even if you don't want to lift up every time. We do have, again, the full wardrobe on this side, and the nice thing about the way we lay this out, it allows us to get the full actual bedroom closet. This has motion sensor light in it, and the hanger is included as well. This is Brendan Poling with Forest River Vibe. Thanks for coming and taking a tour of our 26RK with me. If you have any more questions or need any more information, you can go onto our website, www.forestriverinc.com/vibe. Thanks and happy camping.